everything I saw in the construction process exceeded my expectations. They built beyond code and beyond what I've seen in other builders. And then just the whole community and how they put that together, I felt was great. I'm Christopher Burdine. We live at Frisco Ridge.
I'm Chanda Burdine. I'm his wife.
Basically, we're just driving around and just came across the Tabor's homes and were really impressed, looked at them at multiple locations, but Frisco Ridge really was the ideal place for us, just location-wise. I teach at El Reno High School, which is on 66 in El Reno. She teaches off of 66 in Putnam City.
Yeah.
And so it's just kind of like a midway point. It's also very close to the highway and downtown Yukon, but it's not too busy.
And it's quiet out there, and even though we're just kind of right outside everything, it feels like we're out in the country a little bit, which we really enjoy.
So we wanted to pick our own colors and do, have that custom experience, because we're figuring this will be, the last home purchase we'll make, so we wanted to get what we wanted.
I think for me, it was the first time we went in and actually saw the things that we had picked out in the home, to see the backsplash and to see, the double ovens and all of those things that we had decided to do, and all the colors actually in place. That was the most exciting part for me. And that fireplace in the backyard, that's really awesome. That definitely is the wow factor. When people go back there, they're like, oh my gosh, you have a fireplace. We're like, yeah.
Other than just like tweaking doors a little bit, there just hasn't been any kind of issues, definitely nothing major. But I do feel confident that they would take care of it quickly, because all our neighbors seem to be very pleased.